we're safe and sound in this room, living without you.